Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel if you're new. And so today we're doing something a little different. We're gonna do some juicing. And so I just wanted to do this video because I enjoy juicing myself, and at first I didn't really know how to do it. I didn't know what to juice. I was just like, I gotta figure it out. But I just wanted to just share like how I make my fresh juice. I'm doing celery juice and I'm doing orange juice. I realized that a lot of juices that we drink, like orange juice, lemonade, all that, they have so much sugar in them, and they have so many different preservatives, and they're just not good for you. So it's best, if you can juice your own juice, and yeah, so we can be healthy, we can be flourishing, we can be all that. So first I just want to show you, I have this celery from Trader Joe's that I'll be using, and I have 2 oranges. The thing is with juicing is that you have to use a lot of fruit or vegetables when you juice, because like what it breaks down, you'll see it's not that much. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start the whole process so you can see exactly how I do it. Juicer that I use this one. What is this? All Cook. I got this from Amazon. I'll link it below. Probably like $50–$60. And these are all the pieces. You put the fruit and the vegetables up in there, and you use this thing to push it down with, and then you use that area is where the juice comes out at, and then the excess fruit and vegetables come out here. So let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so now that we actually got them all cut up, not really yet, I'll cut off the ends just so I can make sure, all that dirt and stuff on them is gone. I usually use this bag that you get from the grocery store, and I put it in here so it's easier to clean. Somebody taught me this, and they was basically just like, it's like a little hack. So afterwards you can literally just, empty out this bag and throw it in the trash, because juicing it has so many different parts, and like, it's a lot to clean up. All right, and so I'm about to go ahead and just put the fruit up in, put the celery up in here, and you just put it in at the top, and then I switch this to cut on. It's gonna be loud, so so we want to make sure that this cup right here is very aligned, so we won't have any wasted juice. And so go ahead and cut it on, and then push this down. Okay, as we can see, this was the amount of celery juice that was made from that whole pack. As you can see, it's literally only just a glass. So, and I like how it has the measuring side right here, so you can know exactly what the max is, and literally it just hit that max. So I'll go ahead and put this in a glass. Alright, and here we have our celery juice. Yeah, celery juice is actually not that bad, and it has tons of benefits as well. It's good for if you want to detox your body, just to cleanse, and plenty of more. So now that we're done with this, we can move on to making some orange juice. So you can see juicing, you don't get that much. We had 2 oranges and we only got this much orange juice. And so, okay, so here we have our fresh OJ, okay. And, you know, we have our fresh celery juice. Yum, yum. Okay, so now that I'm done juicing, that's basically it. Now it's time to clean up, which is the main part about juicing that I'm not a big fan of. It's just so many different parts and so many extraness that you gotta do. But yeah, it's real quick to juice. Make sure you have a lot of fresh fruit and a lot of fresh vegetables. If you like this video and if you want to see me do more different juicing recipes where I use not only just celery and orange juice, those are like basic. You can do apples, lemons, celery, spinach, kale, cucumbers, lemons, like any fruits and vegetables that you want to just put into a juice, you definitely can do that with this juicer. I like this juicer because it's small, compact, not too loud, and it wasn't too expensive on Amazon, so you know, we gotta save the coins. And so yeah, that's really about it. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like it, make sure you give it a thumbs up and make sure you hit that subscribe button right there, and stay tuned for more videos. So I'll see you in my next video. Bye.